Hello everyone. We will solve the question number 14.9 of oscillation chapter exercise. So let's see what is the question. In our question, we are provided with a spring which is laid down horizontally. Okay. In which the spring constant 1200 Newton per meter. Mass of the block is 3 kilogram. We pull this mass to 2 centimeter. Okay, till here, and then we release it. It will start making simple harmonic motion, or it will start oscillating. So we can convert it in meter. It will be 0.02 meter. Now what is asked? We need to determine first of all the frequency of oscillation. Frequency of oscillation. So we have the formula of time period, that is 2 pi root m by k, and mu frequency is 1 by t. So it will be k by m. So further we solve it. 1 by 2 into 3.14. K is 1200 Newton per meter. Mass is 3 kilogram. Okay. So our frequency will be 3.2 second inverse. So this will be the frequency of oscillation of this block when we release it by displacing it till 2 centimeter. Now the second part, we need to find out the acceleration. Maximum acceleration. B part is maximum acceleration of mass. We need to find out maximum acceleration of this mass. So the formula of acceleration for a simple harmonic motion is minus omega square a cos omega t plus phi. So when it will be maximum? It will be maximum when this angle is 1, or at this angle is at 0 degree. So at that position our acceleration will be maximum, and this portion will be wiped out. So where it will be the position? It will be the position at here, at the extreme position. At the extreme position the acceleration will be maximum, because in simple harmonic motion the projection of the particle is on this along the diameter, and here the angle is 0 degree, so our acceleration will be maximum here. So omega is equal to root k by m. Omega square equals to, we are here calculating the magnitude only, so we can neglect the minus sign. It will be k by m into a. Spring constant is 1200, mass is 3 kilogram, into amplitude is 0.02 meter. So our final answer will be 0.8 meter per second square. This will be the acceleration, maximum acceleration of this spring. Now let's come to the final and third part. Now we need to find out the maximum speed of the mass. So what is the formula of our velocity for simple harmonic motion? It is minus omega a sine omega t plus phi. We can neglect the minus sign. Omega is equal to k by m. A. When our velocity will be maximum, we need to find out maximum speed. Maximum speed when this angle will be 1 and it is at 90 at pi by 2 radian. So it will be here at mean position, because the particle oscillating in simple harmonic motion will take the projection here along this diameter. So when this motion will be here, it will be the angle which is 90 degrees. So this is the mean position and here our velocity will be maximum. So then it will be wipe out. So our k is 1200, mass is 3 kilogram and amplitude is 0.02 meter, and our final answer will be 0.4 meter per second. This will be the maximum velocity of our block which is attached to a spring and which is showing simple harmonic motion. Thanks a lot.